So hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna reveal how I am keeping up with this language and how I am learning this language in 2026, right? So I started my journey in 2024, and at the time I was not confident, right? I was underconfident. I couldn't talk to anybody. I couldn't talk in front of camera. I still remember when I first time picked up the camera, I started recording. I was so scared. I was so afraid. Even though I was not going to upload that video on any platform, but still I was afraid. I don't know why. But right now I picked up this camera. I started recording. I'm gonna post this video on YouTube, and you can see that I'm not underconfident anymore, right? So anyways, the topic was that how I am working on my spoken English in 2026, and somehow we went off topic. All right. Anyways, actually I'm working in Noida, right? I'm working in Noida as a web developer, so I don't get enough time to talk, or I don't get enough time to devote to this language. And but still I am trying to keeping up with this language, right? By listening or watching English content, and sometime, not sometime, every day I read 5 minutes. This is my regular routine, right? I have to listen or watch English content at least for half an hour, and I have to read something or other at least just for 5 minutes, because you cannot skip. You cannot afford skipping your like, you have to be consistent, right? So that's what I'm doing, because if you skip any day, like if you for example, if you do not talk, or if you do not speak for a week, then you get back to square one, and then you have to start everything from scratch. So that's what I avoid basically. So that's why I try to speak every day. If even if I'm like, if I'm not uh, uh, if there is no one to talk with, I start talking with myself. And reading, it's not that I'm reading in my mind. I read it out loud, right? Because if you're reading in your mind, then that's not gonna help you, right? That's not gonna help you in any way. So what you have to do, if you uh, want to leverage reading, one thing you have to do is that start reading out loud. Because what happen is that sometimes it happens that you stutter, you stumble upon words, right? Sometimes it happens and you are speaking and you somehow mispronounce that, and you ended up making fun of yourself, right? So if you want to avoid it, if you want to escape it, you have to read it out loud. Because what happens is that reading brings you clarity in your words, right? So if you want to bring clarity in your words, so you start reading, right? I started reading. I've seen noticeable changes in my speaking, right? And so that's why I'm still carrying on reading, because reading is really helpful. Even like even though I uh, downplayed it when I started my spoken English journey, because at that time I thought like reading is just a waste of time. But it was when you are reading in your head. Once you start reading out loud, then you see the changes, you start noticing the changes. So this is the thing that you could do to see the maximum changes, right? So you have to start reading out loud, right? And yeah, this is what I'm doing in 2026, right? But I don't get much time, but still I try to yet I try to be consistent, because consistency is really important when you're learning anything, right? Like, I'm not talking about speak like I'm not talking about English specifically, right? So like, if you're learning anything, like you are learning guitar, if you are learning any skill like coding or something, you have to be consistent. And if you're not, then that thing is not meant for you, right? So anyways, so this was it in this video. I shared my how I'm learning this language in 2026. So this is what I'm doing, and you could do this too if you get much time. If you are a student, then you must be getting enough time, right? Plenty amount of time. Then you, instead of watching, wasting the time scrolling through mobile or scrolling through reels, you can actually invest it at something where you can get benefit in future, right? So yes, invest it somewhere, somewhere useful, right? Anyways, so thank you guys for watching this video. Bye.